Hello everyone. We are going to study about the mole concept, and we consider the two types of question of mole concept. Let's we have another types of the question in which first question is the 3.6 gram of ammonium ion is given, then find number of moles in NH4 in 3.6 gram of NH4 plus. Second one is the number of molecule, number of atoms, number of electron, number of neutron and number of proton. Let's we solve this question. In this question the mass in gram is given, so that we know that for our first solution number of moles, if mass is given, then we apply the N is equal to W by molar mass. Clear? Molar, the amount in gram, or we can say the mass in gram is the 3.6. And what is the molar mass of ammonium ion? For nitrogen it is the 14, and for hydrogen 4 multiply with 1 is equal to, it is the 18. So divide by 18 and it gives the 0.2 mole. This is the our answer of first option. Second is the number of molecule. Second question is the number of molecule. We know that 1 mole of every species, here we consider about the ammonium ion, so we can say 1 mole of NH4 plus has 6.02 into 10 to power 23 molecule, or we can say it is the Na molecule. Clear? In our question the mole is 0.2 mole, so we can say, it suppose it is the cost of the 1 pen, then what is the cost of the 0.2 pen? So we multiply this value, so we can say 0.2 mole of NH4 plus ion has, this is the Na molecule, so we can say it is the 0.2 Na molecule. Is that clear? Second question is the number of atoms. Third question is the number of atoms. ये कैलकुलेट करना है आपको. We know that 1 molecule of NH4 plus has 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 atoms, and what you have number of molecule in this question, it is the 0.2 Na molecule. Clear? So we can say 0.2 Na molecule of NH4 plus has is equal to 0.2 Na multiply with 5 atoms, then it gives 1 molecule of NH4 plus has 5 atoms, सही है, और 0.2 Na molecule of NH4 plus has, it gives the 1 Na. Clear? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के अंदर आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, फर्स्टली यू प्रिपेयर द मोल and calculate the molecule, and we know that 1 mole of every species has Na molecule, or we can say 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule, atom, ion. If it is talking about the atom, then it's the atom. If it is talking about the molecule, then it is the molecule. Clear? And we know that in our question the number of mole is the 0.2 mole, then we multiply this Na. Clear? And we know that number of atoms is equal to 1 molecule of NH4 plus has 5 atoms, and what is the number of molecule in this question? It is the 0.2 Na. It means 0.2 Na molecule of NH4 plus has multiply this is the cost of the one pen and this is the cost of the 0.2 Na pen. Clear? That is the answer of first, second and third question. And this is the number of molecule 0.2 Na. Number of molecule is the 0.2 Na. Number of mole is the 0.2. Number of atoms is the Na. Clear? Next, our next question is the number of electrons. Number of electrons. It is the NH4 plus ion. Clear? What is the total number of electron? Calculate the total number of electron in ammonium ion. Then multiply this number of molecule, because one molecule of NH4 plus has electron. Calculate the number of electron in NH4 plus. Nitrogen contain the 7 electron, hydrogen contain the 4 electron, that is the plus 1 charge, then it is minus. इस पे प्लस चार्ज आने का मतलब ये है कि इससे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो गया है, तो कितना हो गया आपके पास? इट गिव्स द 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो वी कैन से वन मोलिक्यूल ऑफ NH4 plus हैज 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन. देन व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 0.2 Na molecule? So we can say therefore 0.2 Na molecule of NH4 plus has 0.2 Na multiply with 10 electron, then it gives the 2 Na electron. Clear? Next, what is the number of neutrons? नेक्स्ट आपके पास क्वेश्चन है नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. फर्स्ट यू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन वन मॉलिक्यूल. क्लियर? सिंस वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ NH4 plus हैज न्यूट्रॉन, we know that in the nucleus of hydrogen consist only the proton, not the neutron. It means only the 7 neutron are present in the nucleus of nitrogen, and hydrogen does not contain the neutron. So we can say one molecule of NH4 plus has 7 neutron. It means what is the number of molecule? Number of molecule is the 0.2 Na. So we can say 0.2 Na molecule of NH4 plus has 7 into 0.2 Na. It gives the 1.4 Na neutron. Clear? What is the number of proton? Calculate the number of proton in one molecule. Calculate the number of proton in one molecule and calculate the number of proton in 0.2 Na. NH4 plus. Nucleus of nitrogen contain the 7 proton plus nucleus of nitrogen contain the 1 proton. It means 1 into 4, it gives the 11 proton. It gives the 11 proton. Clear? Since one molecule of NH4 plus has proton is equal to 11, and what is the number of molecule in our question? In our question the number of molecule is the 0.2 Na. So we can say 0.2 Na molecule of NH4 plus has proton 0.2 Na multiply with 11, it is the 2.2 Na. Clear? This is our first question. Next question is the 4.2 gram of N-3. It is called the nitride ion. It is called the nitride ion. 4.2 ग्राम ऑफ नाइट्राइड सैंपल इज गिवन। क्वेश्चन 2। क्लियर। आपको अमाउंट दे रखा है ग्राम के अंदर, वो कितना है? द मास इज गिवन इन ग्राम विच इज द 4.2 ग्राम। सैंपल is given, then find number of ions, then find number of ions. We know that 1 mole of every species has Na particles, it means Na ions. Clear? Then calculate the number of mole in this question. We know that N is equal to W by molar mass. Clear? N is equal to mass in gram is the 4.2, and what is the molar mass of nitrogen? It is the 14, so it gives the 0.3 mole. Clear? And we know that 1 mole has Na ions. Clear? It means what you have the number of moles in this question, it is the 0.3 mole. 0.3 mole has 0.3 multiply with Na, it is a 0.3 Na. Clear? It is the solution of first question. What is the number of electrons? What is the number of electrons and what will be the criteria? अपना क्राइटेरिया क्या रहेगा? हम क्या करेंगे, N3 माइनस आपके पास क्या है, 1 आयन है. Calculate the number of electron in 1 ion, and what is the number of ions in this question? It is the 0.3 Na. Number of ions is the 0.3 Na. Clear? Then calculate the, first we calculate the number of electron in nitride ion. आपको पहले क्या करना है, नाइट्राइड आयन के अंदर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कैलकुलेट करने हैं, एंड आफ्टर इट दिस इज द number of electron in 1 ion and calculate the number of ions, then we get the number of electrons in N3 minus nitride ion. What is the criteria? What is the procedure of the formation of N3 minus? Suppose we have nitrogen, it contains the 7 electron. After adding the 1 electron, it convert into 1 minus. Now this time it contains the 8 electron, and again we add the another electron, then it convert the N2 minus. Now this time is contain the 9 electron. Clear? And when we add the another electron, then it convert into the N3 minus, which contain the 10 electron. It means nitride, 1 ion of nitride, 1 ion of N3 minus has 10 electron. Then what is the total number of ions in our question? It is the 0.3 Na ions. Clear? So we can say 0.3 Na ions of nitride has, it is the 0.3 Na multiply with 10 electron. So 10 has electron is equal to 10 multiply with 10, that is give the 3 Na. Clear? That is our another question. Let's we have another types of the question. This question ask in IIT. Find number of moles of electron present in 1 kilogram. Number of moles of electron in 1 किलोग्राम. क्लियर? आपके पास एक क्वेश्चन है कि आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 1 किलोग्राम. क्लियर? देन what types of formula you have? We know that N is equal to W upon molar mass, N is equal to N upon N. This is the 1 kilogram, but the number of moles कैलकुलेट करने आपको 1 किलोग्राम के अंदर. तो हम क्या करते हैं, 1 किलोग्राम के अंदर पहले नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल लें. 1 किलोग्राम के अंदर क्या निकाल सकते हैं अपन, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. Since think about it, the mass of one electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kilogram. Can we write it? 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kilogram has one electron. Clear? Then 1 kilogram has, it means 9, the mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to power minus 3 kilogram. Clear? Then what is the number of electrons in 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram of electron has is equal to 1 upon 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31. Clear? It means it is the number of electrons in 1 kilogram. It means in our question the number of moles in 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is the total mass, and we know that the mass of 1 electron is equal to this. Clear? It means 9.1 into 10 to power minus 3 kilogram where mass having then number of electron is equal to 1. मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूँ कि यदि इतना मास मेरे पास है तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होने चाहिए? 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन होने चाहिए, और ये कितने में है? 1 किलोग्राम में है. देन व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 1 किलोग्राम? दैट इज, इट मीन्स दिस वैल्यू डिवाइड बाई, इट मीन्स 1 इज डिवाइडेड बाई दिस वैल्यू. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इज दैट क्लियर? You have number of electron, it means we have number of species. Number of species, it means we have number of species. It means this formula will be applicable here. इस formula को आप यहाँ apply कर सकते हो, because we know that number of particles are given, then divide by Na, then finally we get the number of moles. Clear? Then what is the number of moles in 1 kilogram? We know that N is equal to N upon Na. What is the value of N, number of particles? So we can say in this question the number of the electrons, which is the 1 upon 9.1 into 10 to power minus 3 divide by Na. Clear? Then what to get the result? We get 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 multiply with 6.02 into 10 to power 23. By this way, we easily find out the number of moles in 1 kilogram. Is that clear? Then our last question is the find number of electron in 18 gram H2O. Find number of electron in 18 gram H2O. This is the find number of electron. क्या कैलकुलेट करना है आपको? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 1.8 ग्राम H2O. You can also calculate the number of hydrogen atom, number of H2 molecule, number of oxygen atom, number of oxygen molecule. This is the similar way. This is the similar way of our previous question. We know that when we want to calculate the number of electron, then first you prepare the mole, and after getting the mole you prepare the number of molecule. Then what is the procedure at the above step? Calculate the number of electron in 1 molecule. In 1 molecule, then multiply this value with this molecule, then we get the total number of electron in 1.8 gram H2O. First we prepare the number of moles. N is equal to W by molar mass. W is equal to 1.8 divided by molar mass is the 18. It means we get 0.1 molecule. It means we get the 0.1 mole. It not the molecule, it is the mole. Then after calculating the mole, we want to calculate the molecule, number of molecule, then it is the 0.1 into Na, it means it is the 0.1 Na molecule are present in 1.8 gram of H2O. Then calculate the number of electron in one molecule. One molecule of H2O. One molecule of H2O has 10 electron. 8 electron are present in the nucleus of oxygen and 1 electron are present in the nucleus of hydrogen. Then it gives the 10 electron. It means third is the number of electron in one molecule of H2O. It is the number of electron is equal to 10. Number of electron. Then number of electron one molecule and you have the 0.1 Na molecule. It means 0.1 Na molecule of H2O has electron. It is the 10 into 0.1 Na, then it gives the Na is equal the number of electron in 1.8 gram H2O is the equal to the Avogadro number. Clear? इसके अंदर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन किसके इक्वल आएंगे इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ अवोगैड्रो नंबर. वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट द अदर थिंग्स इन दिस इक्वेशन. द नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल इज 0.1 Na. मॉलिक्यूल आर 0.1 Na. 0.1 Na. क्लियर? वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट द अदर थिंग्स. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, number of H2 molecule, number of H2 molecule, number of oxygen atom, number of oxygen atom and number of oxygen molecule, number of oxygen molecule. Clear? Number of hydrogen atom. We know that one molecule of H2O has 2 hydrogen atom. Then 0.1 Na molecule of H2O have directly multiply with it is the 2 into 0.1 Na and you get the 0.2 Na answer. Number of H2 molecule in H2O, the one molecule of H2O present, this is the H2 and we are calculate the number of hydrogen atom and now this time the number of H2 molecule and we know that the number of H2 molecule in one molecule is the 1. It means this have the 1 into 0.1 Na, it means it is the similar of the number of molecule. Number of oxygen atom, oxygen atom is also 1, then it is also give the 0.1 Na. Number of oxygen molecule, it contain the one atom and we know that 2 atom form. 2 atom of oxygen is equal to 1 molecule of O2. Then 1 atom of oxygen represent the 1/2 molecule. When I ask you, जब मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि H2O में ऑक्सीजन के कितने मोलिक्यूल है, then you give the answer 1/2 molecule. Clear? 1 molecule of H2O has 1/2 molecule of oxygen. Clear? Then one molecule in our question, the number of molecule of H2O is the 0.1 Na. It means 0.1 Na molecule of H2O has 0.1 Na multiply with 1/2, then we get 0.1 Na 0.1/2. And if you want to solve, then solve this numerical value. Clear? That is the types of the question which depends on the type first and type second. In next lecture we start the mole concept type 3. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.